In this lab, we're going to use the transformer stage to add a field and create a condition in our data flow. Any stage can be added to an existing data flow by merely dropping the stage onto a link. Let's do this with transformer. Search for transformer. And then we'll drop transformer between the join and the peak. You can see how it adds it in. Let's rearrange the data flow horizontally. You can see transformer has been separated out, with new links being placed in here. We have link 13 and link 14. It has replaced link 3 that was there. We still have link 4 going from peak 1 to filter 1. One of the things we'll do, using the transformer stage, is to create a new field, which will be a combination of other fields. We're also going to split the data in our data flow using a condition. The condition will help direct mortgage applicants with names beginning with E to go down link 14. But all of the actual data will still come down another link that we still need to create. Let's now create the other link in there first. We'll put in another peak down here. Then we'll drag from transformer down to that peak. What we're going to do is make link 14 so that all names beginning with E will be the only records that will go through the main data flow. We're using a simple case of the starts with string function. But there are many functions that can be used in documentation. Additionally, all records will still go through link 15 and straight into peak 5. Let's configure transformer by double-clicking it. Now we get stage, input, and output. Go straight to the Output tab. Here, we can see we've got link 14 and link 15. We're going to configure link 14 so that we've got a new field. Click on Add Column. We'll call the column Total Debt. The derivation of that column is going to be as follows. Click on the Edit Expression icon. This takes us into an expression builder. To make total debt, we're going to add credit card debt and loan amount together. Both of these values are currently of type string, so we need to convert them to numbers. Choose Functions. Then we choose Type Conversion. This is because we're converting our strings to numbers. So if we choose String to Num just further down here and double-click that, we've got a string in there. Type plus. Then choose String to Num again for the other column. Close this. Then close the functions. Now open up Input Columns. Highlight our string here and then double-click Credit Card Debt. You can see it automatically gets put in there. Same goes for loan amount. That gets placed in there as well. Click Apply and Return. Now we want to change the data type to be, for example, big integer. Because otherwise, if we keep it as character, it will display lots of trailing spaces in the log output. This is because, as char, it still thinks it's a 100 character field. Up here, we've got constraints. It says 0 out of 2. We don't have any constraints at the moment. What we're going to do this time is on link 14. We're going to enter a constraint. Here again, we can use the Edit Expression icon. And if we choose the string function starts with, as shown. Close that because we don't need functions anymore. Then we need an input column, which is going to be name. Double-click name. Type in place of the search string the letter E in quotes. Apply and return. Then save and return. Let's compile this. Let's run it. And you can see that only 29 records flow through link 14. Therefore, these must have their name field beginning with E, whereas all records are sent down link 15, 419 in, 419 out. Let's look at the log and see what goes into peak 1 as opposed to peak 5. We'll look at an example name in peak 1. So type peak 1 into the find field. It's showing us that it's found 24 occurrences of this. Therefore, all these names for peak 1 begin with E. You can see we have Elwin, we have ED, we have Eleanor, Ellery, SC, Anestus, Emot, and so on. We did not put a constraint on link 15, so every record goes through link 15 to peak 5. Hence, every name will be sent to peak 5. Let's change the find here to peak 5. We have 22 entries for this. In peak 5, again we have Elwin, we have ED, Carmen, Ricky, Nora, Carlin, Tish, and so on. So, it picks up all names, regardless of whether they begin with an E or not. These are sent to peak 5. This is because we didn't create a constraint on link 15. The second thing we want to look at is the new field that we've called total debt. For example, on our first record here, we've got a total debt of $76.48. Looking at the end, we've got credit card debt of $373. We've also got loan amount of $72.75. Remember, for total debt, we added these two together. This would give a total of $76.48. So total debt is appearing on all of the peak 1 entries. Let's change this back to peak 1 again. We can see total debt is here. Just skip through them all. Total debt, and so on. In fact, total debt will occur on every peak, including peak 2 and peak 3 and peak 4. It's just that peak 5 will not have total debt because we applied our new column to only link 14, not link 15. This shows that we've been able to create a brand new field. We've also been able to create a filtering mechanism very much like the filter stage you met earlier, all by using one stage, the transformer. Thanks for watching.